So let's take a look at some examples. How do I use these forms and what we know so far in order to come up with sound arguments that can establish a conclusion? Let's take a look at this conclusion. Suppose you want to prove that all angels have limited knowledge. Angels have limited knowledge. Well, first you put that into categorical forms. All angels are beings with limited knowledge. That's a universal affirmative conclusion, and so we only have one valid form that we can use, the AAA1. Angels is my minor term, beings with limited knowledge is my major term. Figure 1 starts with the major premise, the middle term is the subject, and so we have all somethings are beings with limited knowledge. And then the minor term is angels, and so we have all angels are something. And so if you wanted to prove that all angels are beings with limited knowledge, and you want to prove that in a deductive way with a categorical syllogism, this is the only way you can do it. There's only one valid form. And so now that we found a valid form, we have to find a middle term that makes both the premises true, because we want a sound argument. So we have to consider what things, what beings are beings with limited knowledge, and what is that same thing in which all angels are. We have to come up with a middle term that makes both of those premises true. Well, we know that only God has unlimited knowledge, and so anything besides God has limited knowledge. And we need to find something that angels are that are not God. Well, that's easy. All created beings. You have that creator-creature distinction. If it's not the creator, it's a creature. And so all creatures, then, are beings with limited knowledge. Creatures meaning created things. Take a look at the etymology of the thing. Creature is a created being. I don't mean just animals. So all created beings, perhaps I should use that so you don't take the wrong connotation here. Creature being an ambiguous term. And so we have all created beings are beings with limited knowledge. All angels are created beings. And so all angels are beings with limited knowledge. So we could use that as an argument in order to establish the desired conclusion.